Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the mining news on Commodity.V. This program was produced, paid and on behalf of Osisko Development and Revival Gold. The rising prices of gold and silver show us how criminally exploration and development have been neglected or have not taken place even at all over the last 10 years. Osisko Development, which is developing the Cariboo Gold Project into production, is a commendable exception. Fill drilling is being carried out here, which has yielded highlights of over 57 grams gold per ton over 3 meters, or almost 626 grams gold per ton over half a meter, and 15.2 grams gold over 4.4 meters. Many results were also announced not only from infill drilling but also from exploration diamond drilling and sampling from the Low-He zone within the approved 100% company-owned Cariboo Gold Project in central British Columbia. The program has included approximately 6,471 meters of underground infill drilling and approximately 398 meters of chip and rock core channel sampling to date. Chris Lotter, the president, stated, "The recent underground infill drilling in the Low-He zone was conducted to analyze how grades behave under more stringent drilling conditions and to determine the optimal drill spacing for future mining. We are very confident that the underground exploration drilling completed to date in the Low-He zone and throughout the deposit continues to indicate that the veins remain open at depths, underscoring the strong potential for future resource expansion through additional exploration programs utilizing the existing underground infrastructure. A comprehensive 13,000-meter infill drilling program is already underway and is expected to provide important data for local resource modeling, mine planning and optimization of production tunnel planning. We expect to report regularly on the progress of this program in the coming months," he said. In addition to the above-mentioned drill holes, to over 26 grams gold over 2.4 meters, 55.7 grams gold over 1 meter, 8.3 grams gold over almost 6 meters, over 7 grams gold over 6.4 meters, and almost 12.5 grams gold over 3.4 meters, and several other great results have been reported. We see this as confirmation that Osisko Development is on track to bring the next major gold mine in Canada into production. The stock is heavily undervalued. Another company with 2 gold projects in development is Revival Gold. Drilling and development activities at its Mercur Gold Project in Utah are in full swing. The 2 drill rigs operating at Mercur have drilled approximately 3,200 meters of the planned 13,000 meters at Mercur since July. 6 PQ diameter core holes were drilled to obtain material from the eastern walls of the main Mercur and Rover open pits for column leaching testing. 22 RC holes were drilled to supplement historical drilling in the Marion Hill and Rover areas. Core and rock chip logging is underway, with Revival Gold utilizing DataRock geoscience platform this season to process images of rock chip deposits and evaluate the data using artificial intelligence. With 2 rigs in operation and a 3rd on the way, we have already complemented a quarter of the 13,000-meter drilling program planned for Mercur this year, said Hugh Agro, the president and CEO. And he continued, "In the meantime, we have assembled the key members of the Mercur Development Advisory Team, led by John Mayer, our VP Engineering and Development, to prepare for the potential execution of a PFS and the official application for a mining permit in 2026. Initial assay results from the drilling program are expected later this fall," added Hugh Agro. Revival Gold is also significantly undervalued, and we see easy and upside potential of 100%. You can also find all the information on our Commodity.V app in German and English, as well as everything related to commodities. Please note the disclaimer. The stocks discussed are part of the SRC Mining Specialist Situation Certificate, and SRC, its employees and/or I and myself may be or are shareholders in the companies. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.